How to turn off iPhone without the button. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off iPhone without the side button. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So there are a few ways you can do this. The first simple way is you can pull down from your top right corner and head over to your control panel. After you're here, on the top right option, you'll find a power button. If you press on the power button, you will simply be able to lock your phone and turn it off. And it's that simple. Now, the other method is by using your assistive touch. So you can tap on it and then tap on device. So tap on device, and there you'll see the lock screen button. Tap on lock screen button to simply lock your screen, that is, turn your screen off. And if you don't know how you can turn on this assistive touch, you can head over to your settings. On your settings, scroll down till you find accessibility. And after you've found that, scroll down till you find physical and motor section, and there you'll find touch. Tap on it, and there you'll see assistive touch. Tap on it and just toggle this button on. And after you do that, you're basically good to go. You can also add a custom action where you can double tap on your assistive touch itself, icon itself, and then it will lock your screen. So you can set that up from here. And yeah, those are the ways you can turn off your iPhone without using the side button. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video.